Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the mouse double click speed on your Macintosh computer. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by selecting System Preferences down in our dock. So go ahead and left click on that. Now that you're here, you want to go ahead and select on the mouse button. And there should be something that says double click speed. If you adjust it to the left or right, you can make it slower or faster depending on your preference. And once you're done with that configuration, however you prefer, you just close out of here, and that's about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.